So this LG fridge was making a strange noise, and when I looked in the back and I opened the panel, I found the noise was coming from the condenser fan motor. It was loud and rough. Luckily, I had another fridge outside that wasn't working, but it had the exact same fan motor part number. So I took it out, swapped them, and this one is very hard to spin. It was having a hard time, and this one is really free. And this just shows how keeping spare parts around can save you time and money when you are troubleshooting appliances. Swap the motors, and now the fridge is running smooth and quiet. No more noise.